Blackheads are always confusing and tricky. If you have oily and combination skin type, these nasties pop up usually at the worst time and make your skin look dull. We all hate it. Turmeric is extremely effective and extensively helps in dealing with blackhead removal at home. Turmeric can end up staining your skin, so please be aware of that. This is how to use it. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to a bowl and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. To slim down the consistency, you can add 4 to 5 drops of warm water. The mixture is ready once it turns into a thick paste. Apply it directly to your skin with the help of a wooden spoon or a facial brush. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water.